Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, just straightening you up. You see before you a 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which is brand new, got nothing on it, just 2 cups that are each about approximately half full each of black. So I'm going to have a dirty cup, and then I'm going to, when I find my piece of cardboard, have, there it is, come here. I'm going to flip the cups. There's no silicone in the colours or the black art, but I am going to spray with the silicone spray lubricant somewhere along the line. I'd like to have more red and less blue, and more blue and less red, and white in both. So more red, less red, just to make them a little bit different when I pour them out. Less blue, more blue. Spray. White in both. And because I'm pouring it up high, the colours are just got a little bit of this red and blue left over. Just wiggle them on the top. Doing it from up high, the colours sink in, and you get totally a different effect. And I just did a pour, but instead of using the black like this, I used white, and it was really, really pretty. And I thought, oh, I wonder what a black one would look like. So here we go. We're going to find out together. And just flip them over. I find that the easiest way to do it. And give it a second. Nice and different. It's amazing, really, yeah, just how different they all turn out. And I have silver paper down here, alfoil, and that's to catch any runoff, because if you look at it, I've got to get some nice skins for some jewellery, don't I? So let's just let it have a little run around, a little bit. Take it over here. I'll let it run off that corner. Down off these. There we go. Back around. And then the lucky last corner. Let's see what we have. Right. This corner needs help. That's just that one. Well, that sure is pretty. And I think I can take it a bit more down this way, get rid of some of that black. And then back this way. Wow, that is something else. Right, pretty. I'll go over this corner too if I can. Still have plenty of paint on there. And I still have too much space there. Okay, that's nice now. Just, I think, the right amounts. rid of those. Wow, I really like this one. So I'm just going to wash my hands and then I'm going to torch it, see what we have. Very interesting. Like it's so hard to get off your hands. I don't even know if I've got it off. Got most of it anyway, but yeah, it's hard to get off. So I'm going to have to torch this. I can see some cell action and I don't like that. Get away. Right, let's torch it and see what we do like and what we don't like. Torch. There you are. Some totally interesting effects here. Yes, once again, I think this is a really pretty technique, and I wish I knew where I'd seen it so that I could acknowledge the person, but I don't have any idea who it was. But if you're watching this or you've seen this technique before and you know who it was, please just leave a note in the comments down below, because it's really pretty. Alright, so I'm going to bring you down to have a look, and so, as I think I've said, the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium are down below under show more, but just below this video. There's a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us there. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and click the little bell. You'll be notified then when I put up more videos. Let's have a look from the side. Either way, eh? It's let me go down a bit closer. Yeah, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified when I put up more videos, and please give this one the thumbs up. I do appreciate it when people give it the thumbs up. Oh, it's so pretty. Cells within the cells. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, so I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.